Alright, YouTube. So, kind of ran out of supplies. I have a little bit of bottle rockets left. One of the palm trees, 2 tanks, and 2 of the Roman candles. So, I went and got more. And now, I have this new going haywire 300 shot. As you can see there, it's 14 bucks, pretty cheap. Then we got a doorbuster cake, which is pretty big. And then we got we're gonna test out the new, or actually I don't know if it's new or not, hot rods, triple brake, I think it is, artillery set. We spent like 160, so you get a free item, which is the 44mm mortars. That's neat. And again, we got more Roman candles for free. And nothing is ever satisfying without the cat attack. Love it. Gotta have it every year. This is one of the best cakes ever. And we also got the free groundhogs. I've gotten buy one, the 2 for $19 prime artillery set. Woohoo, can't wait to bust these out. See what they're like. We've got the double header rockets. So there were 3 for 15, and you can mix and match, which is pretty cool. So the other 2 are the triple Pete rocket and the exploding comet rocket. And my parents are arguing up there. Then we got crap ton of freaking little torch things. One second. Then we got coconut.